is some mathematics. In this video, we have 5 raised to the power m minus 3 raised to the power n is equal to 16. We are to find the value of m and then n. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Okay, let's start with the right hand side here. So this question, we need to find the factors of 16. That's when you add these two numbers, you get one of them, and then you subtract these two numbers, the left hand side, you get one of them. So we can write it as 5 raised to the power m minus 3 raised to the power n is equal to 16 can be written as 8 times 2. So when you add these two numbers, we get 8. When you subtract, we get 2. So this implies that 5 to the power m minus 3 to the power n will be equal to 5 plus 3 and then 5 minus 3. And this, the right hand side, is difference of 2 squared. That's when you have a plus b times a minus b, we are going to get a squared minus b squared. So the same thing applies to this. So 5 raised to the power m minus 3 raised to the power n will be equal to this will be 5 squared minus 3 squared. So we are comparing both sides. We have 5 raised to the power m, which is equal to 5 squared, and then 3 raised to the power n equals to 3 squared. By indices, when the bases are the same, equate the exponent. So m is equal to 2 over here to n is equal to 2. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you another time.